Bitcoin for free. Is that possible? How would you like to earn Bitcoin for free for simply being online? When you're on Facebook, when you're reading the emails, when you're browsing all your different websites, how would you like to get Bitcoin for free? In this video, I'm going to explore even more the Cryptotab browser, and I'm going to show you all the secrets that Cryptotab has. So stay right here. So before we get started, just a quick little message from me, a small disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. I am not giving you financial advice in any way. I'm sharing with you some information for educational purposes. I'm sharing with you some websites that I personally use and I've been using for over a year or so. And I have been paid by all of them. And as I made this video, they are presently operational and presently paying me. Now, I can't guarantee they always will. So when you use them, if you use them, please take full responsibility for whatever you do. I am not connected in any way to any of these websites, and I cannot offer you support in any way for any of these websites. If you do any kind of investing, please do not use, in my opinion, you should not use any money that you cannot afford to lose. However, I'm going to show you websites where you don't need to invest any money at all. I've never invested any money in any of these websites whatsoever, and they have made me money. So if that's all cool with you, please remember I'm not a financial advisor. Please make your own financial decisions. And if that's all good, then let's get started and let's show you how to make some money. So welcome to the second video in this series. In my last video, I showed you how you can get Bitcoin for free by downloading Cryptotab. And if you missed that video, above this video right now, there is a link to that video. So I would suggest that you go and watch that first because it shows you how to download Cryptotab and how to get started and explains the basics. In this video, I'm going to give you a guided tour of the dashboard, which you see right in front of you right now. So as you can see across the top here, there's a few different statistics. In this area, you can turn the mining off by clicking on the off button, or you can set it to max. I have mine set to max virtually all of the time. I'm running on a MacBook Air, which is reasonably new, maybe a couple of years old, and Cryptotab doesn't drain my resources sufficiently for me to need to turn it down. If you're on a slightly older computer, you may need to from time to time to turn this down. However, you may want to just keep it on max, because what happens is as you start to use more resources, Cryptotab will automatically adjust itself, and you'll see the variations here. Sometimes this drops to 0 when I'm doing certain things, and then when I stop using those resources, Cryptotab speeds back up again. But as I say, if you're on an older computer, you may need to adjust this from time to time. Over here, this area here is how much I have actually mined myself just by having Cryptotab running. And over here is the affiliates. I have 189 affiliates right now, and they have generated me $3.3, which is more than how much I've generated, a little bit more. So you don't have to have affiliates if you don't want, but if you would like to get even more Bitcoin for free, I would suggest that you get affiliates. And the way you do that is down here you will see a link. You take your link, so don't copy mine, because otherwise I will get your affiliates. Take your link and post it on social media, send it to your friends, and get them to connect to Cryptotab and to convert. I almost never use Firefox. I never use Internet Explorer. I hardly ever use Chrome. I sometimes use Safari because I'm on a Mac. I am, as you can see right now, using Cryptotab browser, I would say probably 98% of the time. I almost never use anything else because the other browsers don't pay me and this one does. In the center section, You'll see how much Bitcoin you've generated, and there's an approximate conversion into dollars. Over here, you will see the current Bitcoin price, which is right now $8,939. And I've got 6. Over on this side, you'll see all the Cryptotab social media pages. I would recommend that you join the Facebook, the Twitter, and the YouTube. And on obviously YouTube, you've got a lot of videos that you can watch. So really check those out. As you scroll down the page, you'll see lots more information of tips and news, all your balance updates, how to import bookmarks, how to adjust your mining speed that I was talking about just now. You can use this on a mobile device. So there's all the information you'll need, how to share your personal link, how to use Cryptotab daily, your mining network is explained, and how to withdraw funds, which is obviously super important. As we scroll back to the top of the page, you'll see some little icons over here, and if you click on the 3 bars, you get some of this information again. So here, total earnings to date is $15. In yesterday's video, I said I'd made about $30. I haven't, because I've been operating this over a year, and right now the price of Bitcoin is down about 50%, so my $15 should actually be about $30, and when it comes back up, when the price of Bitcoin comes back up again, this will increase. Now you might think $15 is not a lot of money. I agree, it's not a massive amount of money, but hey, I've been using Firefox and Chrome and Safari and Internet Explorer for years. I've been online for 15 or 20 years. They've never, ever, ever paid me 1 penny or 1 cent in all that time. So $15 is awesome in my books. I'll take $15 any day. You can also adjust the mining speed just down here, and you get more information about your mining network down here as well. But if you click on withdraw BTC, you can actually withdraw the money in your account to your Bitcoin wallet. And I'll explain how to do that in a later video. But basically, you put in your Bitcoin address. I'll show you how to get that in the later video. You put in how much of the Bitcoin you want to withdraw. Confirm you're not a robot, which I'm not. Click on withdraw, and then it will take normally 24 to 36 hours to come through to your Bitcoin wallet. Here's my payment history just to show that I have been paid. I've been using this for just over a year. And you can see I have 8 payments. My first one was in August 2018. My last one was August 2019, coincidentally. And you can see how much I've withdrawn. And the current value of that is about $15. And there you go, just to show I have actually been paid. So cool or cool? Now, up here, you got some other links that are really cool. Let me explain what this one is here. Click on links. If you want to see which is your most effective advertising platform, like for example, let's say you come down here and you click on add a link, you can make a new link specifically for Facebook, or you can make a new link specifically for your website, or specifically for YouTube, or specifically for Twitter. So you can see where you're getting the best referrals from. So you can see I've just created one recently down here for my bitcointrainingcamp.com website, and it's brought me in 9 visitors and created me $50. And it's a different link to my main link. Okay, so I have 189 on my main link, and I have 9 for my website. So this is very handy, so you can see which medium responds the best, and then you can focus on that one and forget the others if they're not doing very well. Up here you've got the promo. This is your ready-made promo materials with all of your personal links. As you scroll down, you'll see all different types of banners and landing pages. You select the ones you want. They've already got your URL in it, which is really, really awesome. And you can post these onto social media and attract people to join you. Now, a little word about affiliates is I have no idea who any of these people are. They may be my friends, they may be strangers, I absolutely don't know. What I really like about Cryptotab is that even though I've got 189 people in my network, I don't know who any of them are. And I have no contact with them whatsoever, and they can't keep bugging me and asking me questions and giving me the responsibility of training them. So if you're one of these people who likes to be left alone to do their work, this is awesome. This is one of the best ways I've ever seen to get Bitcoin for free. It's a very safe way to earn Bitcoin for free. If you know nothing about Bitcoin, it's okay. This is really a Bitcoin for beginners program. It's safe. You never have to invest any money in it ever. And you get paid for being online in Bitcoin. So as I said, I don't use Firefox. I don't use any of the other browsers anymore because they don't pay me, and this one does. And if one pays me and the other one doesn't, I know which one I'm going to use. This works in exactly the same way as any other browser. In fact, this is as you can see up here, it says a Chrome extension. Now, if you have any questions about this, do not hesitate to put your question or your comment. Please make your comments on topic in the chat area beneath this video. Don't forget to click on subscribe so that you get notification of all the videos as I bring them out. I'm bringing out a whole series of videos to show you how to get Bitcoin for free. Give me a thumbs up, please. This really helps and encourages me to keep going. I want to help as many people as I possibly can. So please, please, please give me a thumbs up. And please share this video with other people. Let's help as many people as we possibly can get involved in what I believe is going to be the biggest transfer of wealth in the history of mankind. Cryptocurrency is coming whether you like it or not. And you can ignore it all you want and say, I don't want to get involved. But I believe in the future, you will have no choice but to get involved. So why not get involved? It's going to happen with or without you. So you might as well make money as it grows. I believe with all my heart that Bitcoin is going to be huge. So hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, share this video with somebody else. If you've got any questions, put them in the chat box beneath this video, or go to my website at bitcointrainingcamp.com. I'll put a link beneath this video as well. So hope this helps. This is a quick tour of Cryptotab. If you're not using Cryptotab, you are leaving money on the table. I thoroughly, thoroughly recommend this, and it's just going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. So I hope this helps, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And remember, Bitcoin is freedom.